and your scalp is dry. Okay, scalp and hair. Yeah, your hair is dry. So what we're gonna do is just feel your hair. Yeah, your scalp is dry. Okay, so I'm just gonna feel your scalp. And yeah, your scalp is dry. Now I'm gonna feel your hair. Ooh, your hair is like straw. It's beautiful, but it's like super dry. What we might do is put you, I'm gonna have to give you a deep conditioner, like a deep treatment. I wasn't supposed to be washing your hair today, but your scalp is clean, so I'm just gonna concentrate on your hair. Yes, your scalp is dry, but it's clean. So I'm just gonna put this deep conditioner in your scalp, in your hair, so that your hair could get deeply moisturized. Because you need a deep treatment. So that's what I'm going to do today. Having trouble opening this. Hold up now. Got it? Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this. It smells so good. Gonna put this in your hair. All over your hair. Actually, let me use my gloves. 1 minute. Okay. Use my purple gloves. As you can see, my favorite color. As you can see, my favorite color is purple. So, get my purple gloves. Okay. Just put these on. That way I can really distribute the deep conditioner. Really distribute the deep conditioner. Okay. All over your hair. Alright, good. We got that all over your hair. Let that sit. Let me get a plastic cap. Okay, plastic cap. So, I'm going to put this on your hair and let it sit for about 30 minutes under the dryer. Okay, your hair is washed and feeling much better now. Got the deep conditioner. conditioner is rinsed out. So I'm just gonna now apply the hair oil. Okay, this, okay, you've had this hair oil before, yeah. Has rose oil, all type of good oils. What's your favorite? Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, so just gonna put this all over your scalp. This way. Hair is so pretty, oh my goodness. So pretty. So thick too. You have to keep your hair healthy. For sure. Looks like you have some gray strands too, if I'm not mistaken. I love gray hair. I love gray hair. Yes, I do. Okay. So even though I put in the deep conditioner, I still spray some of this oil on your hair too, just to seal in all the moisture. Okay, perfect. Alright, got that in. So now, just gonna go back in. Just really put the oil in that I put in. That I, when I use the glass dropper, just really putting that into your scalp. Mixing it up. You are all set. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and I will see you next time.